So I'm starting off by moisturizing with my Aqua Flash Gel Moisturizer by Patchology, and I'm just blending all of that onto my face and on my neck. To prime my skin, I'm taking this Velvet Blurring Primer by Becca Cosmetics, which helps smooth the skin and helps foundation last longer. For foundation, I'm taking my Double Wear Foundation by Estee Lauder in the shade Tawny. And I'm just tapping it all over my face and blending it out with my Real Techniques sponge. I really wanted a bright under eye look today, so I'm using this Camouflage concealer by Catrice Cosmetics. I don't know the shade, I'll put it down below for you guys, but it just brightens everything up and it has a lot of coverage. But I will be taking my Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer and I'll be applying it over this concealer. I'll be setting my concealer with the Spun Translucent Powder, which is one of my favorite powders. Next, I'm going to bronze up my face with this Smooth Skin Bronzer by NYX Cosmetics. It's a very inexpensive bronzer and it just blends very well with any foundation. And I'm going to contour with this Morphe brush, and then I'm going to bronze it up a little bit more. So I'm going to take MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I really like this bronzer, but I don't put too much because then it makes you look a little orange. So I'm just going to blend that onto my cheeks. For shadow, I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette in the shade So Bougie, which is one of my favorite transition shades. And I'm using the Sigma E25 blending brush, which is one of my favorite blending brushes. Next, I'm taking Chocolate Truffle, which is a deeper brown shade in the palette, and I'm going to apply it on my crease and just blend it out. I really wanted to use this chocolate gold color. It's such a very vibrant gold, almost yellow, and I'm just tapping that onto my lid. Taking this gel liner by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm just taking a thin line. I'm not doing a wing with this look. I feel like it looks better without a wing, but you could do a wing if you want. So for my eyebrows, I'm trying out this Brow Multitasker by Estee Lauder, and I do like it. The only thing is that it's a little bit waxy, so if you do have thinner brows and you really need to create a shape, this won't work for you. This product works if you have fuller brows and you just need to fill in your natural hairs.